Our equipment already installed, so now you can see destination settings. You can see that all the menus are in English language, also available 8 additional languages. Navi maps, we can install for you Navi maps of Europe or Australia and New Zealand or the United States. Well, the cameras work properly. We added USB input for playing audio and video files. Bluetooth audio, the function we never had in this car. Music box, CD discs. Of course, we unlocked DVD region, so the climate showing properly too. And of course, I will show languages.
No route set.
Voice recognition and voice guidance in English language, English in miles, English with kilometers, French, Germany, Spanish, Italian, Russian. So let's set. It's changed. Many thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please contact us. Our contacts you can find in the description. Stay safe and bye bye.